Morning students, welcome to your value education class. Lesson 2, Time Management. Time is not refundable. Use it with intention. Students, time is precious and important. It never came back again. Time management is the most important aspect of our lives, as we all get a limited amount of time to live on earth. Those who master time management skills are the most successful people. Respect for time and discipline that you develop as a student can help you for the rest of your life. Let's read the lesson and understand it properly. Yes, time will not repeat itself. Once a second is behind you, it cannot be returned. Many will all learn the value of time and make every moment of our lives special. So get up and do what is to be done. Every day is new and wonderful. If we are unable to plan things, we are left with a heavy task list for the next day. Next day, of course, will bring it new work list plus the previous day's carried forward task. And then we feel we are so occupied that we don't have time to do things we need to. Time management is one of the key factors to success in life. Time management teaches how to make the most of our valuable time. Our productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness increase. Some of the world's most successful people are expert in managing time, and they teach this to others too. What can you do to help yourself succeed? Most people use time management techniques such as making a to-do list, which can help maintain focus on our priorities, understand what is urgent and what is important. Time over. Once upon a time, there lived a rich man in a small town. All his life he kept on accumulating wealth, and within 20 years he had amassed enough money. He had enough money to buy the whole town, but he never helped anybody in life. He used to be very happy and proud about his bank balance, but he never used his money apart for basic needs or what was necessary. He was so busy in earning money that he never realized that he had become old now. His whole life had passed away. He never enjoyed, celebrated, and spent happy moments with his family. One night, Yamraj, the god of death, came to him. Yamraj said, "Your time is over. You have to come with me." The man replied, "But I have not lived my life. I was busy working. I need some time to use my wealth that I have accumulated over the years through hard work." Yamraj said, "No, I can't give you any more time. It is limited and can't be granted more than what is specified." The man said, "See, I have no much wealth. I will give you half of my wealth. Will you give me one more year?" Yamraj said, "No, that is not possible." The man said, "Okay, I will give you 80% of my wealth. Will you give me at least a month?" Yamraj said, "No." The man said, "Okay, I will give you all my wealth. Can I get 1 hour in return?" Yamraj said, "You can't buy time with your wealth." At least the man said, "Give me a few minutes. I want to write a letter. Please accept it as my last wish." Yamraj agreed. The man wrote a letter to the people of his town. In his letter he wrote, "Whoever gets this letter should pass on my message to others. All my life I worked really hard to get rich. Today I have lots of wealth, but I could not even borrow an hour of my life with all my wealth. So I want to convey to all that value your time and life. Live in the presence. It is good to work hard, but don't forget to live your life. Wealth cannot buy you time in life. It cannot buy your past. Time that is lost will never come back. Time is precious. Don't waste it. Life is a beautiful gift. Live it fully. Love and help others. Time management is the most important aspect of our lives. As well, all get a limited amount of time to live on earth. Those who master time management skills are the most successful people. Respect for time and discipline that you develop as a student can help you for the rest of your life. Let's see what can really help manage our time. Take the ownership of time. Try to obtain a clear picture of your upcoming days, weeks, and months. It is a way for you to discover what time you have available to devote to study, recreation, or other activities. Be the master of your life rather than its slave. Do you think that you study a lot? The only way to find out how many hours you have studied during one day is by completing a personal time assessment. The method requires you to keep track of everything you do for an entire week, from the time you wake up to the time you fall asleep. At the end of the week, calculate the number of hours you spent on different activities. For example, count the number of hours spent on eating, traveling, studying, talking on the phone, shopping, exercising, watching TV, and being online, until you have a complete picture of whether your time goes. Find your time wasters and start eliminating them. The objectives of time management is to allocate time wisely so you can achieve your goals. By prioritizing your will, increase your chances of success. Make your plans, both short term and long terms. This advice planning will help you achieve your target well. Set up a schedule which respects your priorities. A wide variety of student organizers, diaries, planners, electronic tools, and time management setup system are available in the market. Choose or create whatever seems best for you. Set the time for studies in a structured manner. You may have subject-specific time allocation. Organize your peak study time to coincide with the time of the day when you are most alert. Mark in activities other than studying such as exercise, recreational classes and meetings friends which you will fit in when possible. Always keep some review cards or brief notes with you to read over when you are waiting for something else to happen. This could include when you are traveling or waiting for someone. You could also display review cards in your room. Frequently repetitions and reviews is one of the keys to remembering information easily and effectively. Get to know your body cycle and then schedule activities around it as much as possible. For example, whether you feel sleepy after lunch or rise easily or sleep late. Schedule some times to relax so you can rest and refresh your mind and body. This will enable you to study more effectively, get enough sleep as well. A sleep-deprived student is not going to be able to perform at his or her best. Time and tide wait for none. Students, read these paras carefully and start managing your time. It will help you in your future. If you want to become a successful man or lady, you have to manage your time. Time is precious. It is important for our life. Students, read the lesson carefully and write down answers according on your own thoughts. Do the needful activities according to the lesson. Students, here we completed our first term portion. Thank you.